Aloha mai kākou, o wau o kui, o ka ʻōlelo noʻeau o kēia pule, oia hoʻi o I maikaʻi ke kalo I ka ʻoha. Today's, or this week's, proverb ʻōlelo noʻeau is I maikaʻi ke kalo I ka ʻoha. Now what that loosely translates into is the goodness of the taro is judged by the young plant it produces. Now what this kind of means is Hawaiians believe that you can tell what kind of upbringing existed in a home by the way of a child, the way they acted in public. This could have also been used as a warning for new parents to be sure to raise their children to properly. Bombay. They bring disgrace upon their family. So the young kalo is only as good as its parents. The offspring is only as good as those parents. This is also a reminder to use as we grow older in life. Always think about our kupuna and how they would react to things that we do or say. So always keep your ancestors in mind because you're a direct reflection of them. It is often said that first impressions are everything, so you wouldn't want someone to get the wrong impression of you. I maikaʻi ke kalo I ka ʻoha. Maikaʻi. Aloha.